All in due time. All in due time. All in due time. Yeah, I find peace in my own thoughts. If I let you on this roller coaster, my imagination will get you lost. Lone soldier, on my shoulders I carry the cross, all the way to my final resting place. Only for me to get murdered and wake up on the third day, maybe the day after on a Thursday. I swear on the Ark of the Covenant, I'm in my own lane, run my own race, have my own pace. No fucks given, I buy no face. Sleazy niggas with hidden agendas got a lot to say. Cut the grass in the garden of Eden, you won't find snakes. Mind no business, they gon' keep talking, protect your mind state. Focus, vision, working towards some better days. Just know that this is the only way you're gonna change. This broke ass living, complaining almost every day. I'm on that rhythm, but most you rappers on their mid-dick can touch these lyrics. I did this shit without no gimmicks, man.
So here's the thing, Hodman. Like, I feel like the sun and the moon both have their own time to shine. Yeah. So it really won't make sense if the sun decides to shine at night or the moon decides to shine in the day. You know, so I feel like as people, we all have our own time. You know, so it makes no sense if I'm gonna be jealous of you and try and do things at your time. I get you, because we're all living in God's time.
Emerald culture, Haiti. We usually don't do this like we used to, but today we got something brand new episodes coming through, album reviews. If you have any album, contact us. Contact that guy. So we'll tell you at the end of the video. Today, as always, my menace. My name is Verbalist. I'm running with.
It's your boy Craig Flow, man. The Hippie Baby, your uncle's favorite uncle, man.
Yeah, the
young one. Yeah, it's the album EP review. Yeah, Flow Messiah, all in due time. So before it's can he introduce himself, man?
I know for sure, man. I go by the name Flow Messiah. You've been waiting over 2,000 years for the Real Messiah, but here already, man. Word up.
Yeah, man. So if you drop the EP, it's online. Our battle I create on all like streaming platforms or what. It's out there, YouTube, Deezer, you know, your Apple, what.
The more Facebook,
yeah, now what people, real Flow Messiah, got out, that's this celebrity there, man, nothing online. And then, so he dropped an EP. When was it, dog?
On the 5th of November.
5th November, if you drop an EP. Like.
Yeah, it's kind of a long, I don't know. Yeah, post some picture. I want to put the music in Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever. I want to play his song. I want to at least because that helps as well. And it takes promote our local artists that way. I want to picturing yeah, Flow Messiah. Yeah.
So, dog, my interest, out of all this, give the title.
Yeah.
All in due time.
Sure.
You know, the title, like, listening to it, what I got from it was, like, Agamamela, the intro track.
Yeah.
All in due time, or what? Listening to it, the track after it comes up, and I'm like, okay, keep prayer. Yeah, you know, and then lifestyle after prayer, you know. So the sequence is like crazy.
Yeah,
the sequence is like crazy. So I want to
the next song was actually Say Lot.
Yeah.
The one where I featured Say So.
Yeah. Actually, you have Say So on Lifestyle.
That's the third song.
The third song.
And the fourth song I also featured.
Yeah.
Say
But can we like
Better Days? Better Days is the
Better
third
Days.
song.
Yeah. Can we? It's the fourth.
No, it's the third. Then Lifestyle is the fourth.
Oh yeah. So can we talk about Can we talk about all in due time?
All in due time.
Sure. On the album, it was intro.
Yeah, you know,
it is not.
It was intro. Yeah, not like track.
Not track all in due time.
Yeah, but it's the
first
intro.
song on the album.
Yeah, and in brackets, what the intro. So can you like take us through that? What's the meaning behind that all in due time title.
Right. So all in due time is basically about I kind of personify the sun and the moon, Wabo, because I feel like they have their times where they shine the most. You know, like the moon will shine the most in the evening, and the sun will shine the most in the afternoon, in the morning. You understand? So I feel like as people, we also have that. We have our own time, dog. You understand what I mean? Like you cannot. Let's say you're gonna shine at night. You feel me? Like I cannot expect to ride your train whereby it's your time to shine at that time.
True.
So that's basically what the EP is about in a nutshell. Yeah.
And the follow-up track, Prayer, like, I gave my mates in it.
Yeah.
Okay, before kids and I'm on, like the lady, who's the lady you feature?
Yeah, the lady's name is Ivory. It's Ivory. She's not really like what can I say, an established professional artist. It's just somebody who was doing me a favor. She can sing, but she doesn't take it as a career. So that person blessed me with that chorus. Yeah.
And I can like mo chorusing now on a little party to kind of like asking questions, you know. Yeah. So like, what was in your mind at that time? I don't know what like you, because you like from the intro, from the all in due time, and then also moving into like the prayer track.
Sure.
Or you are trying to take us somewhere.
Yeah.
Because the track after that one, after prayer.
After prayer is better days.
It's better days.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So you want to understand that
the sequence
of the track list, because it was
it was intentional, dog. Yeah. It was intentional because all in due time is me recognizing that okay, maybe it might not be my time at a certain point, Bobo. Maybe it's somebody else's time, but I cannot now move away from my journey and focus on the next person's journey. You understand what I'm saying? So as much as that homie, let's say somebody I'm rapping with, for example, makes it, like, hope you do, man, that dude made it. But then I gotta stick on my own lane. I cannot now change who I am to try and fit what worked for that person. Because like we all have our own journeys, hence the sun and the moon comparison. Then prayer, obviously, before you go to any type of war, be it physical, spiritual, emotional, you have to strap up, dog. Psychological as well. You have to strap up, dog. And I feel like as much as you might not be a Christian or a Hindu, or you guys to believe in something. You understand, in a higher power, if I may say that. So Linna, I feel like before I can go into war or face any challenge in life, I have to strap up, dog, and talk to the man upstairs. True. Then you asked another question about the questions that I was asking between the chorus. Like that just reflects us as people. We have self-doubt. You get what I'm saying? So sometimes you may know the things that you want to say to God, but you are asking yourself, like, why am I in this situation? You get what I'm saying? Like, it's only human.
It's true.
You understand? Yeah.
So, dog, like, from like the prayer track, what are better days?
Better days.
Yeah. And more better days, you know, Safe Say So.
Yeah, for sure. Shout out to my nigga Safe Say So.
Yeah. My honest opinion, I feel like every track we run less Safe Say So in a that duo type of feel, because now I was like, I started missing Safe Say So all in due time, and prayer as well. I was like, what's Safe Say So? So that also gave me like, there's something between when I'm feeling, maybe you don't understand it. Because there's that natural feel over Alice Pana Pina together, dog. Maybe you get a sense of maybe Motia Alice Pana together, man, like, a long time before Ronarga Babona or Gaba Foster. So would you agree for Safe Say So gives you that ke itse ke re ke bo umfu kapa energy kapa ke eng ya gore yaanong ga o kgwela na because track tsa go le say so dog like for me more on the EP.
Sure.
Well, besides all in due time, they are my favorite.
No, for sure.
So yeah, I want to hear your opinion.
Yeah, like that was intentional as well, because if you notice, like the first rapper that I feature in the entire EP is Sif Say So. So I did the first song alone, then the second song I went in with Lady Ivory.
Yeah.
Then she's not rapping, she's basically doing the chorus. Because Anka Bina voice, come on. Bro.
But there's a track where you're singing.
Come on, man. Hey. Let's leave that for another day.
Shot in the dark.
Come on, dog. Come on,
dog.
So that was intentional via like me getting into the whole hip hop journey. It started back in high school, Wabo. Okay, the influence came before that, but then me actually saying, nah, I'm gonna do this, Wabo, was back in high school, and homie was fire back then, dog. Okay, he still is fire.
Still fire, though.
He's still fire.
That homie fire.
So he the homie lo ga ne ke benchmark ka yena for ne yo mona da mana ntse pina so mfetso come on dog ai lo ke bona gore nka apisa skilling yana at least you wabo ke na motho lo re when it came to referencing hip hop wabo mo batho ba ile ga in my circle ke na lo re I've always been like homies dope wabo. Then Raspana, it's been ages Raspana. It's been ages.
So putting together a product though, you know, like when you put together a product, I want to understand for whenever like on this product what feel were you looking for? Because Impa feel for it's more of like somebody who like is on a journey.
Yeah.
Or it's about to discover something it's about to step onto something new you know? Like Impa that thing it's somebody who once lost hope and now found it again, and even the track list, like the way Tangati, you know?
Yeah.
What was in your mind when you were putting this product together for like and why did you feel or think for that man offer that in your better?
On the contrary, dog, like when it comes to my first EP, I have an EP, it's called No Man's Land.
Yeah.
The whole EP was basically me stepping into the industry because I was even wearing suits and I haven't signed anything. But yeah, basically like then I was explaining that I'm a nomad, right? So now I'm getting into an industry. It wasn't really about location. I'm getting into an industry more okay, I find people here like the likes of Bo Verbalist, Bo Crack Flow. You understand what I'm saying? So now like my identity, that was No Man's Land basically. Then came All in Due Time. If you can check even the art cover, it's a guy in a hoodie. I could have went to go do a photo shoot for that, but it was intentional to keep that person anonymous, because now it wasn't about the face. It was now about the music. So yeah, I wasn't really interested in going there, get half and face or anything. It was like more about
you know about me only.
Yeah, like somebody who doesn't know No Man's Land. Okay, sharp. Here's an art cover in a face or whatever. Now your voice and the music, your network
more familiar.
That's what speaks now.
Yeah. So like, who did you work with more all in due time? All in due time
in terms of the production or beats.
Besides, the features. I know on le Majoro.
Yeah, le Jogosete 2 songs.
Majoro
le Osiris is on 2 songs. Le Aziko is on one.
Yeah. So who did you work with besides the artists?
Like the beat makers
and the production wise, who was handling the production? And why did you feel or think for Diamond or those people are the right people to like give you what you want for this product?
Yeah. Happy when you work on a project, then it's basically trial and error. There are some things that you are learning along the way. So I was for beats, I had gotten beats from Decast, but before that I had like a bunch of beats. Telora, I had intended to do a more EP. So I get to Nation. Nation is like, nah, dog. I'm not gonna record on these beats, dog, because they were nice for me. Motoelore doesn't have a trained ear, but then for him, because he knows what he looks for in a product, he was like, nah, dog, not gonna work with these. So I got a young man called The Kest. Yeah. So I brought him to the studio with Nation, and I was like, okay, listen to Hotman, then hook me up with some beats, then Rebone, where are you gonna take this? So with The Kest, and it was a family member who referred him. So homie comes from the Northwest, and he came to school in Bloom, right? So he was like, nah, man, since you're into the music and all of that, I have, a cousin who's rapping and whatnot. So link up with him. So homie, we linked up through Facebook and all of that. He gave me some beats. So I feel like it was predestined. He's a friend of a family member. So I couldn't say no for Kespanele. Then in terms of Nation, I had already heard his work. So in the engineering side of things, I felt like, damn, like this guy, voice, like nobody else has. Which is, no offense to anybody I've worked with, but yeah, hey man, this is best quality I've ever had since Gaspar.
True. So, in terms of numbers online and whatnot, how's the reception out there? Would you say like the people are listening, couple, guy, and maybe is it from your side, from the people's side, and what is it that the people must do in order for them to create a product?
Okay. In terms of the numbers, All in Due Time it's like a painting, man. You don't hear about Bo Picasso, putting the painting in people's faces and all of that. But I feel like that was one of the paintings I did that I wanted to be a masterpiece. So it's never really been about numbers or anything like that. But from what I see, it's better than the first one.
Sure.
But I barely really even look at such.
Is it? Are you saying like you're not about the numbers, couple?
Yeah, the project was not an egotistical thing. That's why my face is not on the cover.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's not about the numbers, it's about the music.
It's about the art. It's about
the music.
Giving people a good product.
But do you want to make money out of?
Of course. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Money is not a bad thing, dog.
So, Verb, I don't know, like Hare Kuala, what do you?
No, most of the questions that you ask are really questions in
Yeah.
Now on my spectrum, I do agree with Flo when it comes to this album is better than the last one.
The last one.
It emphasizes his artistic path. He found himself.
Yeah.
And the path he wants to take when it comes to music. And you can tell from the music itself. It is the type of album smart man we taking my mates. What's stress? And that's the best music. Don't get it twisted. Banger music, clap music, that's the music people actually listen to. So it's that type of music of which I enjoyed it. Personally, I enjoyed it.
For me, like I gave my mates, like I said before, it was giving that thing somebody who's trying to say hey, oh man, I know I've had it tough. I know I've had it tough, but I know all in due time, and now let me start with the prayer, and then for when you start with a prayer, better days will surely come.
They will.
Like in LA, that thing, lifestyle and whatnot. And then after that, you live in the lifestyle. So shout out to Messiah one more time, man. And can we, after this, can I before?
Yeah.
How many projects do you have out there online?
Mixtapes. I don't even like referring to them anymore because then I was still in a cocoon and all of that. The mixtapes, I think I got ±6. But those don't matter. I really don't care about those. Then
my question is
right now, when it comes to official projects, I have two.
No Man's Land and
Yeah, No Man's Land
and
All in Due Time.
Between the two, which one is your favorite?
The latest one.
All in due time. He said it, dog. He's been saying it all
Yeah,
over the
I
internet.
just wanted to confirm. So yeah, we're closing it off, dog.
Yeah, but and if you wanna check out Flow Messiah, he's on all streaming platforms.
Yeah.
All Flow Messiah.
Messiah, simple.
There's no weird spelling.
Nah,
Nothing.
No apostrophes,
No
nothing like
underscores,
that.
nothing.
It's Flow Messiah straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Proper English. Yeah. Proper English. So catch him on all digital platforms, whether or tag her on Facebook or as a song on your picture, wherever. I'm agree.
Yeah.
By any means necessary.
Yo, Bafethu,
Support local.
support local artists, Bafethu.
Support local artists.
Yeah.
And
then
it was a pleasure to have you, dog.
Yeah,
Yo,
likewise,
Pleasure to
man.
have you.
Shout out to Obsession. Shout out to Obsession. Shout out to our guest first.
Yeah, by
Shout out
any
to
means.
Obsession. Shout out to Exquisite. Shout out to Verbalist. Shout out to myself.
Shout out to Kitty,
Shout out
Kitty,
to
Kitty,
Boiti for
Kitty.
coming
Yo.
late. Thanks for coming, Boiti. We see you.
Yeah. Until next time, ne, like,
Until
subscribe,
next time,
do all
Wafi.
those nice things. We'll catch you out later. Don't forget to stream. Ne?
The cipher is the cipher.
Assembly.
We out.
Peace. Ina, tjhatsa se mona se bono sa ka se bono.
Lena se bo-
Ha utlwa no ntse ke bua ka dibono tse go wa tsene mo Facebook.